The most awaited Huawei tablet is here, the Huawei MatePad Mini. He comes with 8.8-inch display panel with a 16:9 screen ratio and a 120Hz refresh rate. This tablet is likely to bring 4 screen variants: Read, Standard, Soft, and Classic. He features a dual rear camera design setup with a camera deco design consistent with the MatePad Pro series, keeping in line with the Mate family's design language. From the side view, the device looks slim and lightweight with only a minimal camera bump. From the name, the Read variant seems to be focusing on enhancing the reading experience. It could be a perfect choice for readers and browsing lovers. On the flip side, the standard model could bring the new Cloud Clear tech with upgraded paper matte fusion. Details of other mysterious variants will become clear later. He will feature the Kirin 9020 5G chipset. It is the same processor seated in the Mate 70 series, Pura X, and the recently launched Pura 80 flagship smartphones. He will pack a 6500 mAh high-end battery with 66-watt charging support. It will weigh around 260 grams with a 5mm thickness. The color scheme counts: white, black, and green. The device can easily fit in one hand without giving you any uncomfortable feeling. The best part of this tablet is that it will enable users to make and receive calls. While the feature was not working effectively in previous tablets, it'll offer a better communication experience to users this time. On the software side, the MatePad Mini will support Huawei Notes and the Born to Draw app, offering users a smooth writing and drawing experience when paired with a stylus. A network indicator in the top right corner confirms support for a SIM card slot. Since no 4G label is shown, it likely points to 5A level speeds, ensuring reliable connectivity. The tablet also supports Nearlink Xinglian technology, which enables faster connections with lower latency.